Right, shall we have a crack at making some garlic Parmesan chicken wings on a budget? For me, when I think of summer, I think chicken wings, and these are fantastic, done in the air fryer, done on the barbecue, but you can even oven bake them. So this is what you're gonna need. So we've got our chicken wings. These were just over £2 for a kilo. So a really, really budget cut of meat. And they're just so versatile as well. So what we're gonna do is, we're gonna break these wings down. We're gonna separate the drumstick part and the wing and remove the wing tip. So we've got our chicken wing. I'm just gonna lay it down flat on the board. And the aim is to split off the wing and the drumstick. So spread it out on the board, and you wanna aim to cook between the joint between the wing and the drumstick. If you feel any resistance when cutting through, you're cutting it in the wrong place. It should go through nice and easy with a sharp knife. Then rotate it round and just remove the wing tip like that. And we're just gonna get rid of that. So what you're gonna be left with is your wing and also the drumstick part of the wing as well. And it's just a matter of repeating the process. So straight through, remove the wing tip and get rid of that. So I've cut up all the wings now. This is what you're left with. You've got your wing, your drumstick, and all the wing tips have been separated off. So I'm gonna quickly wash my hands. We'll get these whacked in the air fryer. So these wings are ready to be cooked now. You could barbecue them, you can air fry them, oven bake them, totally up to you. I'm gonna air fry them today. So I'm gonna grab the drawers. Haven't bothered seasoning these or anything. I'm not gonna put any oil on, I'm just gonna get them straight in the air fry drawers. I'm gonna whack them in the air fryer, 20 minutes at 200 degrees. Flip them about halfway over and we'll see how they look. So the wings have had 20 minutes. They're gonna come out looking something like this. Nice crispy golden skin. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna dress these up nicely though with a nice Parmesan garlic butter. So let's get these into a bowl. So I've got 100 grams of melted butter in a bowl. I've got 1 whole bulb of garlic. So I'm gonna finally cut this garlic up as little as you can. I'm using the entire bulb. But you can use more, you can use less. Just obviously make it to your own taste. I'm gonna challenge someone to use more garlic than this though, because this is gonna be super pungent. But they are garlic and Parmesan wings, so need loads of garlic. That's all the garlic nicely chopped up. Just gonna get that into the melted butter. Also got 50 grams of Parmesan, get that in there as well. And also, we've got some chives too. Run the knife through. You could use spring onions if you want. You could use parsley, totally up to you. Chives in. Pinch of salt in there as well. Also a little bit of black pepper. I'm now just gonna give this a good mix. Make sure it's all nicely combined in there. And what it's gonna look like is something like this. So I've got the wings, just gonna tip this sauce all over. So I'm just gonna mix the wings in all that garlicky, buttery Parmesan goodness. Make sure they're a nice generous coating all over. So it's all about just plating them up or bowling them up nicely now. The dusting of Parmesan on there. You can never have too much cheese. Also, final sprinkle of chives just to finish it off. Then just look at the state of those. Just look at that. And there you have it. Garlic and Parmesan wings done in the air fryer. Perfect for summer.